Go-go curls. Gimme, gimme, gimme go-go curls. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Guys, you have to be Jamaican to know that one. But anyway, guys, my name is Candy. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time, a special welcome to you. If you are a return viewer, oh, welcome back. So today we're doing some crochet braids, yes. And for the versatile braid pattern, we are just braiding the sides and the back upward so as to allow for her to pull the hair up in a ponytail if she so chooses. And so yeah, so pretty much other than just braiding the front backwards, we are going ahead and just braiding that section of hair on along the sides and the back in an upward direction. And then once I'm done braiding all of those braids along the sides and the back upward, then the next step is to just go ahead, do all of the front, and then you will see me transition to the middle portion now, which is where I start to do a circular braid, which I call the beehive. You can do those braids backward if you so choose, but I feel like the most suitable one is for you to do that beehive pattern. All right, so now I'm on the front, so I'm braiding those back, and then shortly, momentarily, you will see me start to do this beehive. So now I'm just, just part off sections of the hair, row by row, and just continue to braid around and around and around until you get to the point where you just have one braid remaining, and then you're gonna just use a crochet needle or your crochet tool, to just weave that tail into the rest of the hair. All right, so let's get into the actual hair itself. So the hair I'm using is actually synthetic hair. Yes, you heard me, synthetic. This hair is from Amazon, and I have been using human hair in the recent past so much that I literally can't remember the last time I used curly synthetic crochet hair. It's just the truth. And so this will take a little bit of getting used to it again, because I've gotten so spoiled with using those braids with the little thread in the middle, but for these it's a little bit more work. All right, so what I'm doing is just using the crochet tool to attach the hair, pull it through, and then I'm literally making like 3 or 4 knots. If you don't make multiple knots of these synthetic hair, then the hair will not stay in place and it will literally loosen or start to slip prematurely. So you want to make sure that you give it as many knots as possible. And as an added tip, be sure to separate the hair into 2 before you start to install it. If you install the hair as is, straight from the pack, then you will have to even knot it even more times in order for it to be secure. The smaller the pieces, the easier it is for you to secure the hair. All right, so now I'm almost at the front. I'm just making sure that I put enough hair to make sure that I cover all of those spaces and all of those gaps. Yes. So crochet installation is very easy. It's just a matter of repeating the process of installing and tightening. However, you have to be very strategic. Make sure that the hair provides enough coverage, and be sure that if the hair decides to take the wings of the morning and fly, that you don't have a bunch of unfilled cornrows, or exposed gaps or spaces. That is not a good look. You want to make sure that the hair is as full as possible so that there will be no hair malfunctions. Okay? All right, so now I am putting in the final pieces, and now that we're all done with the installation, I am just doing some light cutting. She did want to do a bang in the front, and so what I'm doing is just gradually cutting down that area over the eyes to create that bang. And we're going to, for the most part, keep the rest of the length as is. So you guys will see the finished look momentarily. So just stick and stay. And this is how the hair turned out, you guys. I must say I was super duper impressed with the fact that for synthetic hair, the hair was actually very soft. I had no issues separating it. It didn't give me any vibe as if it will tangle easily. And guys, this color is a ombre color. I think it's 1B 3027, but I definitely will leave the link to the hair down below. Again, it's from Amazon, and we did use one full package, which is 6 packs, as well as a tiny piece of a highlight color, which is the number 27. So those links will be left down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on my next one. Bye.